Hi my dear friends, welcome to AccountTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to delete a blank page on a Word document. Even though there are many methods to do so, today I am going to teach you one of the easiest methods. So let's get started. So I will open my Word document. So this is the document where I want to see if there are any blank pages. So I will zoom out to see the blank pages. So here, this is the document, this is the blank page. Luckily there is only one blank page available, so I will again little bit zoom in. Okay, so now I want to delete this blank page. So all what I have to do is I will have to press Ctrl G together, and then you will get a message box like this, and then you will have to press backslash and type page, and then click on go to. Now you can clearly see that there's a vertical line on that blank page, so I can close this message box. So finally I will have to press delete button on the keyboard. Now the blank page has been deleted. Now you can clearly see the blank page has been deleted in this Word document. I hope you have found this video very useful. Please like, share and comment on my videos, and I would like to request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.